Hi, I'm Frank Coopers. I'm a urologist, so a surgeon who looks after prostates and bladders and kidneys. I'm a fairly active person outside of my job, love surfing and the outdoors, and being slightly on the taller side, I have chronic back pain since I'm 16, I guess. It's very normal for me to wake up in the morning with some back pain, and I know that when I do heavy lifting or any strenuous exercise that involves my back, I'll pay for it with pain that can be really kind of sciatic pain when it radiates down the back. I stumbled over this Myovolt, which I can put on my back. Nowadays I just use it every morning when I get out of bed, and it keeps it warm, but also with the vibration it really soothes my back, and I'm way more flexible early in the morning when everything else feels quite immobile. So yeah, I've been using Myovolt at home when I come back from work, but now I realize that if I put it on between cases or after cases, it gives me instant relief. I have usually stretching exercises, but it's sometimes a bit awkward, and quite often I'm just too busy doing minor jobs between cases, or then I have to, after theatre, I have to rush to the ward and see some patients to outpatient clinic, so I can just put the Myovolt on in between cases, and that gives me some relief. I can feel it straight away. Professionally, when I'm doing surgery, quite often you're standing hunched up, bent to the side in certain procedures, and that is usually when I can feel my back. Now I use the Myovolt. I take it to work and just put it on for 10 minutes when I do some paperwork between surgeries, and that has made it better. And I think, especially in the health industry, nurses and doctors, and it's a lot of heavy lifting, and back pain is one of those occupational problems that a lot of jobs have, and I think that the Myovolt is something that could really help there. Well, I just did a major project in the garden, which is usually comes with significant back pain as well, and usually afterwards putting it on 2 sessions, and it feels much better. For me, it works fairly instantly, and then the pain goes away and I feel more mobile.